Welcome to UMS Tech Labs. In today's video, we'll show you the future of digitization. In any organization, there's always a need to read, say, invoices or POs manually and then feed it into the system. This problem can be easily solved using our chatbot with eyes. Yes, you heard it right. Our chatbot has eyes in it. It can actually read content just like a human being can do. And it can actually assist humans to read tabular content from documents or invoices, etc., and store it in Google Sheets. Further, from Google Sheets, we can always transfer it to an ERP or CRM through API integrations. So let's quickly hop on to the demo. Let's start with a simpler demo, and I would now hand it in to Nikhil. Nikhil, can you start the demo, please? So he says hi to the chatbot, and let's see what chatbot says now. So the chatbot says, if you want to test how well I can read your documents, just attach one and check for yourself. So now he's going to attach a document. Let's start with a simpler one, and that is this one, the product and price info. Now this is a printed document. So as you can see, it has some product ABC with the price. As soon as he hits enter, the chatbot says, please wait, getting your link ready. There you go. So it says, great, I have personally read it all and have it converted into digital text just for you on this link. And the moment I open this link, voila, as you can see, the text is now automatically converted and stored in digital text. Now notice that this is no longer an image format, which means that I can actually do summation, and I can actually do formulae on top of this, so that we can actually calculate or do some calculations on top of it also. So as Nikhil is showing you, he's doing a sum now, and Nikhil, if you can just do enter so that we can see the result. So as you can see, the $90 has automatically come as the summation total of these three numbers, which is correct, as you can verify. So there you go. Now let's move ahead with a slightly more complex data set. And basically now we will, it's a more complicated table. And let's see how well of a job this chatbot with eyes system does. And now notice that this is a PDF file. So we can not only read image files, but also PDF files. There you go. Now, any moment, the data in real time will come in this sheet. It will actually erase the data, the previous data, and it will copy paste the new data in this after reading. There you go. Again, it's all actual data, which means that I can do summation and everything. As you can see, the sum and everything is coming. So this is the demo for chatbot with eyes. Let's move ahead, slightly more complex thing, and this time we'll have handwritten table. Now notice that this table actually has all slant lines, not so clearly written things. The table may not be complete, but still it will be able to automatically read the content. And this is all handwritten content. And even the handwritten content automatically gets transferred into Google Sheet. And from Google Sheet, like I said, we can always transfer it to a CRM or an ERP system. So there you go. The name, the designation has been properly read. And you can check the accuracy of our chatbot with eyes. And this is how we can actually revolutionize the way you work and couple your everyday work with chatbot with eyes, which can actually read things just like a human being can. Finally, I must note that the system works well with all existing setups and does not need any new CapEx investment. The UMS pay-per-use system ensures you can start small and grow. Thank you so much for watching this video.